everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. Today, I'm excited to share a glimpse of my OJT experience at VJ7 Printing. After I time in, I head straight to the production department to check on today's operations. Let me show you around. Welcome to the production department. This is where I manage reports from our employees, encode the information, and handle tasks assigned by my supervisor, all part of keeping operations smooth. Now, let me show you some clips of the tasks I've been doing during my OJT. One of our current tasks is creating a job cost sheet. Here, we brainstorm and input all the necessary information, and we also interview some employees to gather the details we need. It's a really hands-on process, and it gives me a great look at how everything comes together in the department. And that's all for this vlog. Thanks for watching. See you around!